This video introduces IFMAKER's self-developed M5 wireless probe. The probe head and probe are 46.6 mm long. Diameter is 33 mm. It is powered by a 14,250 battery. It features high precision and extremely low latency. Supports one-click automatic centering or RTCP calibration. Next, we will introduce the various uses of the M5 probe. 1. Probe connection. Open the battery cover. And then insert the battery in the positive direction. There will be a light flashing here. After making sure that the probe indicator light on the CNC screen turns from gray to blue, install the cover. Then assemble the probe and battery. We need to trigger the probe. At this time, the probe logo on the screen will trigger red. Indicates that the probe has completed the power-on connection. 2. Probe centering. Press the clamp release button. Install the probe. Press the button again to lock it. Enter the rough dimensions and click Start Centering. The probe can automatically detect the XYZ origin. 3. Automatic Tool Magazine. Position, calibration. Open the probe app, click on Measurement, and start measuring. Four. Automatic calibration for orthogonal compensation and RTCP. Switch the CNC to setup mode. Click More Probe Applications. Enter password 123456. Then, according to the diagram, move the probe to positions P1 and P2. First, move the Z-axis to the positive center of the X-axis on the side of the calibration block, and the probe tip is below the plane of this top surface. At this time, the perspective is P1. Click P1 after completion. Then retract the Z-axis. Return the A-axis to 0. First, move the probe closer to this plane. Then move to the positive center of the Y-axis. At this time, this point is P2. Click P2 after completion. Click Start. Five. The probe can't connect. If the probe cannot be connected, first remove the battery. Click on MDI. Then enter M9002 on the CNC screen. Put the probe into the positive electrode. Wait for the green light to flash and complete. After the flashing is completed, the probe is triggered 5 times repeatedly. The probe will light up with a fluorescent light. 6. RTCP verification. In addition to the above functions, we can also use a dial gauge to test RTCP. The above is an introduction to the M5 probe. You are welcome to try it.